Looking for a highly equipped family vehicle with all the right options and reliability? We'll take a look at this 2021 Chrysler Pacifica Limited in bright white. With adaptive cruise control, full speed forward collision warning, 20-inch aluminum wheels, blind spot and rear crosspath detection, heated and ventilated front seating, heated steering wheel, 24,000 miles on the odometer, 10.1-inch touchscreen, navigation, hands-free sliding doors, panoramic sunroof, power liftgate, 3.6-liter V6 engine, and so much more. For some additional details, visit us at MarinoCJD.com, stock number 10999A.
Here's another high-quality vehicle with a Carfax Vehicle History Report. Be sure to find a complimentary copy of this report online or contact the dealership. This vehicle qualifies for the Carfax Buyback Guarantee.